So I'm trying to match with 7:55 for 15 minutes. Well, it looks like I got it. Of course, it's the Starbucks.
Hi, morning.
Hello.
Oh, you're one-wheeler. Those are so cool.
Yeah. For Justin and Lisette. Awesome.
Yeah, I'll give you Justin.
Yeah, whatever.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank
All right. It's here.
But how is it driving that one-wheeler? Is it fun?
Oh, it's very convenient when you get the hang of it. It's yeah, it's really fun.
You have
really
to have
fun.
like really good balance to be on there, right?
At first, yeah, for about a week until you get used to it. Then once you get used to it, you love it, you know? Yeah.
Cool.
So,
I'll get the door for you.
no problem. I appreciate it. All right, have a good one. Thank you.
Stay safe.
Thank you. Here I am complaining about being moody and got one of the nicest people in Starbucks. Like, look how nice I am. You can be nice like me.